Ever looked at your Anthurium and thought, I wish I had more of these? You're not alone. Whether you've had one for a while or just picked it up recently, I've got a super easy and safe trick to help you multiply your Anthurium, right at home. I've tested this myself, and trust me, it works. All you need is a healthy stem. If it's got visible roots, great. If not, no worries, you can still do it. The key is knowing how to cut the stem properly. Cutting is the technique, but growing from it, that's where the magic happens. And the secret behind that success, it's all in the soil. Anthuriums, like most aroids, love moist but well-draining soil. Don't worry, I've linked another video in the description that shows how to make the perfect mix at home. A secret tips, you may try some moss around the base of the cutting. Keeps the moisture in and gives the roots a gentle hug as they grow. Within just a couple of weeks, you should see your first new leaf sprouting. When it comes to plant propagation, patience is everything. You really have to keep an eye on those newly grown stems without rushing the process. But trust me, it's worth it. After about 2 to 3 months, I've got a big update to share, and it's a good one. It's now the first week of May 2025, and I'm honestly thrilled. Take a look. My Anthurium cuttings have grown into a happy little team. I've always dreamed of having a bunch of thriving Anthuriums, and today, that dream feels real. And guess what? You can do it too. Just follow the same care steps I did. Water them 3 to 4 times a week, depending on your local weather. Keep them in a bright spot with lots of indirect light. That's really the secret: consistency and care. I hope this update inspires confidence in your own stem cutting journey. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and share it with your plant-loving friends. Let's grow together, one leaf at a time.